Look at it go. Oh, no chance.
Yeah, I don't want to go on
Right. Just keep it there now.
It's going over.
Oh dear me. I'll be filling my pants on there.
Yeah, I'd be screaming everywhere.
I was thinking, to that side either.
Coming up here. We're at Hebrons and the sailing boats. Fire extinguisher.
Daddy, could you turn the water pump on?
On. Yeah, it's on.
What do you want it on?
Mine's that. Mine's just the same as me.
I don't know what button did you press.
It's very, you'll turn it into, yeah.
Mommy, where's my coat?
Alright, shut up.
Daddy, can you lift me up and put
Sit down a minute.
Mommy said I could.
I did, yeah. Just let her get
Yeah,
in.
just let her get hang of it.
It's horrible, it takes about 10 seconds. Look at
Break it up.
We can go up to that wroxham one and stop it there, can't we?
Yeah, hold it, see if it'll take it out your hand. I know. Isla, if you're not going to sit down, you need to come back through the barrier.
Really?
Hold it out.
I want to hold
These
it
are
out.
not like
In your
puppy
fingers.
swans. Yeah, they'll get you.
Let's see. He got it! Good, Swanee.
No shit, man, we're not going to be mooring up anyway, we'll just crash into them at this rate. They're selling them now as well, which was an ice cream line.
Are you still serving?
Try and get in there.
Come on in, come on in. Ice cream, come on.
Yeah,
wait for the ball.
Come on. I don't want to go in. Come on.
Sounds like you suck it life out of that, Nathan.
No wonder he can't chip another shit in there. Like,
42 quid euro.
come again?
Joking.
£42.
I want to try this.
That's what you owe me.
Oh.
Can I have a
Is that for our Nathan?
No, the kids.
Oh.
How rude.
It's £42 fucking pounds.
Sit down.
Sit down.
Then again, if you're not at Riverside Ice Cream, man,
Well, I don't want one
It looks so yummy.
oh, might as well chill here for 20 minutes.
then. What and get bit today?
It tastes so yummy.
Well, there's no point selling down river. Well, I don't get bit anyway, so
You what?
I don't really get bit.